Setting up your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router and modem is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through the complete setup process. First, let's identify the equipment you'll need. You should have received a Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router and a compatible modem, along with the necessary cables. Step 1. Connect your modem to the cable outlet using a coaxial cable. This cable should be firmly connected to provide a stable internet connection from your service provider. Step 2. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the Wi-Fi 7 router. This connection allows the router to receive internet data from the modem and distribute it wirelessly throughout your home. Step 3. Plug both the modem and router into power outlets. Wait for the devices to fully boot up. This typically takes 2 to 3 minutes. Look for steady indicator lights to confirm they're ready. Step 4. Download and open the My Spectrum app on your smartphone. The app will guide you through the activation process and help you customize your network settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. Finally, proper router placement is crucial for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Place your router in a central, open location away from walls, metal objects, and other electronic devices that could interfere with the signal. Your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router and modem are now set up and ready to provide fast, reliable internet throughout your home. The self-installation process is designed to be simple and user-friendly for all Spectrum Internet customers. Wi-Fi 7, also known as 802.11be, represents the next generation of wireless technology, offering revolutionary improvements over previous Wi-Fi standards. The speed improvements are remarkable. Wi-Fi 7 offers potential speeds up to 46 gigabits per second, which is up to 4.8 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. One of Wi-Fi 7's key innovations is multi-link operation, or MLO. This technology allows devices to connect using multiple frequency bands simultaneously, dramatically reducing latency and increasing reliability. Wi-Fi 7 utilizes wider 320 MHz channels and takes advantage of the 6 GHz band, providing significantly more spectrum for data transmission compared to previous generations. Spectrum's advanced Wi-Fi 7 routers come packed with exclusive features. These include integrated security shield for cloud-based protection, speed boost providing up to 1 gigabit speeds for Spectrum mobile devices, and a dedicated managed wireless network for visitors. To fully utilize Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, your devices must be Wi-Fi 7 enabled. While Spectrum advertises speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, actual speeds may vary based on factors like device compatibility, network congestion, and distance from the router. Existing Spectrum customers can add advanced Wi-Fi to their plan for an additional monthly fee. The investment provides access to cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology, enhanced security features, and optimized performance for all your connected devices.